Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a super useful trick, how to automatically strike through text in Google Sheets when you check a checkbox. If you manage any kind of to-do list, task tracker, or any checklist in Sheets, this simple technique can instantly make your workflow clearer and way more satisfying. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create that satisfying cross-out effect with just a couple of clicks and a sprinkling of Google magic. So let's dive right in. First of all, if you already have your list or data ready in Google Sheets, great. That'll make this process much smoother. If not, pause here, go ahead and type in a few rows of sample data so you've got something to work with. Now our first step is to add a checkbox. To do this, click into your first cell where you want the checkbox to appear. This is usually a cell right beside your data, like in column C next to your tasks in columns A and B, but you can choose wherever fits your setup best. Next, go up to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Checkbox. Instantly, you should see a little box pop up in your chosen cell. You'll tick this box later to cross out your completed tasks. Now we're going to make this work for your entire data set, not just for one row. So let's highlight or drag across the range of your data and also the checkboxes next to them. Let's say your data is in rows 1 to 10. Highlight those entire rows, including the checkboxes. If your list is longer, no worries, just select as much as you need. With your range selected, navigate up to the menu and click Format, then select Conditional Formatting from the drop-down. This will open a panel on the right side. Conditional formatting is a powerful tool because it lets you tell Google Sheets, hey, whenever a particular condition is met, like a box being checked, do something special like change the color or in our case, add a strike-through. In the Conditional Format Rules panel, you'll see a section called Format Cells If. Click on that drop-down and scroll to the bottom, then select Custom Formula Is. This part is really important because we're telling Google Sheets to watch our checkbox column for any changes. The formula you'll type in here is something like equals C1. This formula checks whether the checkbox in column C for a given row is checked. If you're using a different column, don't forget to update the letter to match your own sheet. The $sign before the C just anchors the column so that the rule works as we drag it across each row. Next, let's tell Google Sheets to visually cross out the text when the box is checked. Down in the Formatting Style area, look for the strike-through icon. It looks just like INSU with a line through it. Click that to turn on strike-through formatting. You can also tweak other styling details here if you want, like changing the text color, but the key is the strikeout. Alright, once you've set all that up, take a breath. Now go back to your sheet and try ticking one of your checkboxes. If everything's set correctly, the text in that row should instantly get crossed out. If not, don't worry, just double-check that your formula matches your checkbox column and that the conditional formatting rule covers the right cell range. And that's it, you've now got an automatic way to visually mark tasks as finished or cross out items, all with a single click. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more straightforward guides like this. If you have any questions or if you got stuck at a step, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.